दोस्तों आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम एक और आपके लिए मॉक टेस्ट लेके आ चुके हैं जो कि सीआरपीसी सब्जेक्ट से रिलेट करती है। तो चलिए ये देर ना करते हुए इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है, इज देयर एनी मैक्सिमम पीरियड फॉर विच एन अंडर ट्रायल कैन बी डिटेन्ड अंडर सेक्शन 436A ऑफ द सीआरपीसी? ऑप्शन है यस, हाफ ऑफ द मैक्सिमम पीरियड ऑफ imprisonment specified for that offense. Option B, no period is prescribed. Option C, court can decide. Option D, maximum 90 days. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए। Next question. Section 100 of the CRPC refers to option A seizure, option B search, option C summons, option D search warrant. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी। Next question. First, section 2 clause C, a cognizable offence is option A where a police officer may arrest without warrant, option B where a police officer may not arrest without warrant, option C where a police officer may arrest with permission of a court, option D any person in the public can arrest. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए। What is provided by the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A, the code provides the procedure for the implementation of the criminal justice system. Option B, it provides the mechanism for the investigation in the trial of offence. Option C, the code provides the procedure for the implementation of the civil justice system. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। ऑप्शन डी इसका सही आंसर है। Next question. Under which section of the CRPC the procedure when investigation cannot be completed within 24 hours has been described? Option A section 165, option B section 167, option C section 166, option D section 164. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी। Next question. If a woman sentenced to death is found to be innocent, the High Court shall order the execution of the sentence. Option A, to be postponed. Option B, if things fit, commute the sentence to imprisonment for life. Option C, send for medical assistance. Option D, non-judicial mandate of powers. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी। Next question. As per section 273 of CRPC, how an evidence is to be taken? Option A, in the presence of accused. Option B, when personal attendance of the accused is dispensed with in the presence of his pleader. Option C, in presence of police. Option D, both A and B. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी। When an offence is bailable, option A, person has no right to be released on bail upon arrest. Option B, a person has a right to be released on bail upon arrest. Option C, a right to be released is dependent on the exercise of judicial discretion. Option D, a person shall be released within 24 hours. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी। Question. Section 6 of the CRPC defines option A classes of criminal courts, option B classes of district courts, option C classes of municipal courts, option D classes of civil courts. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए। Next question. The Criminal Procedure Code ensures that option A principle of separation of powers of each of the state is not breached. Option B principle of combine of powers of each limb of the state is not breached. Option C A and B. Option D principle of separation of power of each limb of the state is breached. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए। Next question. As per the provisions of the Criminal Procedure Code, the word inspection used in section 93 clause 1 subclause C refers to option A things of documents, option B documents only, option C locality and place, option D none of the above. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी। Next question. Statements recorded during investigation under section 161 of CRPC can be used during the trial for observing the witness, option D contradicting the witness, option C both A and B, option A nor B. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी। Next question. If an accused is charged of a major offence but is not found guilty, thereunder the can be convicted of minor offence if the facts established indicate that such minor offence has been committed, it was so upheld, in which case? Option A Sangra Bonia Sinnu was state of Andhra Pradesh. Option B state of Himachal Pradesh versus Tara Datta. Option C Shamsher Singh versus state of Punjab. Option D versus state of Tamil Nadu. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Ex dolo molo oritur exo is option A an action aroused only when a right, option B an action could not prevent a legal right, option C no action on an immoral act. Option D, none of the above. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी। Next question. Recording of pre-summoning evidence may be dispensed with under section 200 of CRPC. Option A, if the complainant is supported by the affidavit of the complainant. Option B, if the complainant is made in writing by a public servant in the discharge of his official duties. Of A and B. Option D, only A is correct but B is not correct. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी। An unjustified and unexplained long delay on the part of the investigating officer, the statement of a material witness would render the evidence of such witness. Option A, unreliable. Option B, option C, inadmissible and unreliable. Option D, none of the above. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। सही आंसर है ऑप्शन A। Next question. A confession to be inadmissible under section 25 of the Act, A, must relate to the same crime for which offender in is charged. Option B, may relate. Option A, must relate to the same crime for which offender is charged. Option B, may relate to the same crime for which offender is charged. Option C, must relate to another crime. Option D, none of the above. इसका सही आंसर आप लोगों को बताना है। इसका सही आंसर है confession. Option A, can be solely made the basis of conviction. Option B, cannot be solely made the basis of conviction. Option C, cannot be solely made the basis of conviction unless the same is corroborated. Option D, both A and C are correct. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन C। Next question. The order under section 125 of CRPC are option A, summary in nature but finally determine the right and obligation of the parties. Option B, summary in nature and do not finally determine the rights and obligation of the parties which are to be finally determined by a civil court. Substantive in nature and finally determine the rights and obligation of the parties. Option D, substantive in nature and are not subject to determinations of a right of the parties by a civil court. इसका option B। A final report under section 173 clause 2 of CRPC for dropping of proceedings to a magistrate. The magistrate, option A, may accept the same. Option B, may reject the same. Option C, may reject the same and order further investigation. Any of the above. इसका सही आंसर है any of the above। ये वीडियो लेक्चर समाप्त होता है दोस्तों। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हमारा अच्छा लगा हो तो हमारे इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस वीडियो को शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।